guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is a soup from Indonesia, chicken turmeric soup that we call as Soto Ayam. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Boil 7 eggs. Meanwhile, we also gonna boil chicken for the broth. So there are 5 chicken breasts in it with 3 kaffir lime leaves, 1 lemongrass, and about 10 cloves. Just bring to boil until scums come out. I forgot to mention a thumb of ginger as well. And over here I have 1 small onions with 5 candle nuts. Candle nuts is Indonesian spice that you can find only in Indonesia, and there's no substitute for it. I was told you can use Brazil nut, but I don't think so because I've tried Brazil nut and it's really different. And 6 garlic. We're just gonna add a little 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 3 tablespoons of water, and then we're gonna process until they become a fine paste. So the eggs will be hard boiled, so about 12 minutes. The broth starts boiling. This is what you want to remove, the scum, using slotted spoon. Pour the paste into a pan. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 3/4 teaspoon, half to 3/4 teaspoon of ground coriander, and we're just gonna cook it until bubbly and then put it into our broth. Bubbly and fragrant. Now bring back this to boil. Season it with chicken bouillon powder. If you don't have chicken bouillon powder, you can use salt, sugar, and MSG if you're using. And you have your soup.